Hello again. 3 separate surveys of the property market published today all confirm that house prices are falling throughout the country. One report from the country's largest estate agent, Sherry Fitzgerald, says the fall in the Dublin region over the past 3 months alone was 4%.
There had been plenty of evidence of a slowdown of activity in the housing market before today. Houses have been taking much longer to sell, estate agents have been laying off staff, and home sellers have been adjusting their expectations. However, this is the first time that estate agents have come out in numbers with data which proves that house prices are on the way down. Douglas Newman Good put the fall in Dublin at 2.8% over the past 3 months. Sherry Fitzgerald, the largest estate agency group in the country, say the slump is even bigger at 4%.
Overall, what we've seen is that consumer confidence has been impacted by a number of things. Linking back originally to the Bacon report, the final Bacon report in June of last year, then obviously concerns over the economy since then, and people have said, I wonder is this a good time to buy, and they're literally sitting on the fence.
I don't expect there to be any hint of negative equity falling into the market. I think that the fundamentals that underpin the demand for property in Ireland, based on the growth in the economy over the last 4 or 5 years, those factors will continue. Prices may well slip slightly more in the coming few months, but we expect them to recover quickly in the second half of next year and probably begin increasing again.
Reports such as this one from Douglas Newman Good clearly show that house prices have been falling for the last 6 months. If this were a report about economic output, then economists would unequivocally term that a recession, although it might be very difficult to find an economist working for an estate agency who'd use that term about the property market for fear of sparking a panic. But they are now accepting that house prices are falling by at least 1% per month, although perhaps a better indication of the turnaround in the property market is what's happened to Sherry Fitzgerald's share price, which is down by 50% in the last 5 weeks alone. George Lee, RTE News.